See if it works now. I'm gonna turn the battery on.
AC if it works and turn the battery on. Did it work?
Let's get this out. Okay, so we need to switch this master caution warning and move that over to this side. So we're gonna have to take all these panels off and then switch the switch over to that side. So let's get to it. A little twist off. That. You want to be careful of these wires because they're connected and then go inside, but we'll get there. Yo! What are you doing? So this is it. And we're gonna swap this, all this, to this side. Okay, I'll do that. We took out the master caution. Here it is, and I move it over to this side. And you take that cover out, put it here, and then retie the wires back to the harness. But then that was pretty easy. And then we just gotta get these cord clips back on, and then we'll test it out. Just installed this. What?
Trying to get in here. Sorry.
Let's see if it works now. I'm gonna turn the battery on.
AC if it works and turn the battery on. Did it work?
How am I supposed to turn it on?
Suck it.
Is there a way to, like, I need to do something?
That'd be my next guess.
Do you think this would automatically turn on by itself? Or what?
What do you think about that shit? That'll hold a fucking ammo can.
So you got your parts?
I got some parts, I don't know which.
I got my switch working. I just need to put the panels back on. And then...
Fix other shit now.
yeah, and then we'll fix the headset stuff next time, and then the foot switch.